The wait is finally over. War 2 is here and fans of Junior NTR are celebrating like never before. From bursting firecrackers to marching with giant banners, the excitement is unreal. The Mass God Jr NTR has officially entered the YRF Spy Universe. In this high-octane film, Junior NTR shares the screen with none other than Bollywood's Greek god Hrithik Roshan, who returns as the powerful spy, Kabir. Talking about his experience, Junior NTR said, "My journey started off by admiring him. After all these years, I got the chance to act and dance with him." He also shared, "This is not a movie of NTR going to Hindi cinema. It is actually Hrithik sir coming into Telugu cinema, as his voice will be heard mouthing all the dialogues in the Telugu version." NTR thanked his fans with heartfelt words. "Thanks to my family, fans, and everyone for blessing me. I am here today because of you." Hrithik, too, promised something big. "It's such a joy to play Kabir again. This time he's more intense and even more in a dilemma, very, very emotional. I think War 2 is going to be something unmissable." Directed by Ayan Mukherjee, War 2 also stars Kiara Advani and will release in Hindi, Telugu, and Tamil across India on 14th August. And that's not all. War 2 has also received a massive global release with Dolby Cinema screenings across North America, the UK, UAE, Saudi Arabia, and Kuwait. Explosive action to superstars and unmatched fan energy. War 2 isn't just a movie, it's a pan-India celebration.